Hey, crypto family. So the first thing we're going to talk about today is Russia. Now, I know with the whole Russia-Ukraine situation going on over the past couple months, Russia has become more dependent on basically needing other sources of income because the US has a lot of sanctions on them. And again, they're looking for that cryptocurrency, that digital aspect to be able to circumvent those sanctions. So one of the things they've started doing, it says Russia's Sberbank completes first digital asset transaction. So a few months ago, Russia's top lender Sberbank received the Trade Digital Financial Assets license. The firm's subsidiary, Sberfactoring, completed its first DFA transaction worth around 1 billion rubles, about 16 million US dollars. And that was today that they had that transaction, okay? Now, that's huge because that's showing Russia is actually going towards implementation for actually using this, and as a way, again, to circumvent those sanctions and just in general move to a more global currency, whereas they can transact freely. So that is something, it could be a little alarming, but again, we'll have to see what happens with that. It says, this action comes following the bank board's deputy chairman, Anatoly Popov's statement that the first transaction will come within a month. He made this known sometime last month in an interview with TASS, a state-backed media. And it says, with the license, Sberbank assured users of its use of blockchain technology and smart contracts to trade digital assets. So again, there is some big things here, and it says Russia mixed crypto signs. It says there's been mixed signals from the country about the legal status of cryptocurrencies. A Russian lawmaker recently said the country's largest stock exchange has the potential of hosting a regulated crypto exchange. And he said that division, which will work as part of a respected organization with great traditions and highly engaged in actively interacting with the central bank, will do an excellent job with the task of handling cryptocurrency operations. So again, that's something that Russians are starting to move towards, and I could definitely see them fully adopting cryptocurrency within the next couple of months if they continue testing these transactions as they've been doing. So something to keep an eye on with that. And the next is Voyager. So Voyager, as you know, they've actually frozen withdrawals. This was actually, I believe, a little over a week ago. But they posted a tweet July 3rd. It said, there's nothing more critical to us than our customers. Please know that we are focused on protecting assets and maximizing value for all customers as quickly as possible. Now, then they posted an article July 6th. And it says, Voyager company and customer update, basically their financial restructuring process. Now, there's an article that came out by Reuters, and it says, this was on July 8th, so it's yesterday. It said, crypto lender Voyager addresses customer anger in first bankruptcy hearing. Now, from the looks of this, it sounds like Voyager is going to start paying a little bit back once they do start paying back crypto, but people may not get back their full crypto, which isn't any surprise. It says, bankrupt crypto lender Voyager Digital describes a rocky relationship with its customers at an initial bankruptcy hearing on Friday, saying it had received threats after freezing customers' crypto accounts. Okay, this is no surprise, seeing as what happened with Celsius, with Luna. Again, anytime you start freezing accounts or not delivering the returns you're stating, people are going to start asking questions. And it says, Voyager filed for bankruptcy protection in Manhattan on Tuesday, blaming a recent slump in crypto markets that caused it to freeze customer withdrawals. Now, you would think these people would be ready for a market, whether it goes up or down, especially for the downturn, but a lot of these companies are not. And it says the company said it had 3.5 million active users and over 5.9 billion in cryptocurrency assets at the time of its filing, which is insane. Again, just goes over Three Arrows Capital, Celsius, followed basically everyone who started blocking customers from withdrawing their crypto assets. Now, scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the article, it says, while it said the case presented several novel legal questions, including Voyager's position that it owned the crypto assets. The judge questioned whether Voyager had even filed the right type of bankruptcy case, suggesting that it met the criteria for liquidating as a broker-dealer with protected customer accounts. Sussberg said a traditional Chapter 11 restructuring would be better for customers. A broker-dealer liquidation would completely halt Voyager's operations and result in a lot of expensive litigation that would benefit no one, Sussberg said. So, again, they have to look exactly how they're restructuring this deal and that bankruptcy filing as well. So that's something that's going to be big. And again, I hope customers can receive all of their crypto back, but it's not looking too good. Again, they're keep posting updates on their Twitter, which is good, but it's anyone's guess. If they're just like all the other companies, they're going to become bankrupt and not be able to pay anyone back as well. So please always do your research before investing in any protocol. And please only invest what you can afford to lose. As you've seen the past couple of months, crypto's been insane and a lot of people have lost a lot of money. So always do your research in anything you invest in. If it's too good to be true, then it probably is. So with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please comment if y'all have any questions, and please subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, thanks for watching.